So in today's video, I'm going to tell you what is a report writing. So a report writing is basically a report on some event. That could be some accident which happened on the road, and you are reporting for the newspapers. You are covering all those details. And if suppose that if fire breaks out somewhere and you want to write on that, so you will write for the newspaper. But if you are an editor of your college magazine, so you will write for that only. So if something happens in the college, maybe a, a blood donation camp is organized in the college, so you're going to write a report on that. Maybe annual function is there in the college, or some sports event is taking place in the college, so you want to write a report on that. So report writing is always formal, informative, and you are going to write in a very systematic way. So you're not going to insert some imaginative aspect to it. Okay. And when you're writing a report, you should remember certain things. That first you are going to write the title or the heading, and after that the byline. It suggests that by whom the report is written. And then there are this 5 YWH question you need to write. That is what, when, where, how, and who. So you are starting with what happened, when did it happen, then where did it happen, why did it happen, who were involved, and what happened at the end. Okay, how did it end, you can write. Okay, so when you are writing all these things, your report is ready. And one more thing you need to remember, that you are supposed to write always in past tense, not in present tense. Okay, but yes, if you want to state something, if you want to talk about somebody's state or condition, then present indefinite tense is very essential for you to use. Okay, and it should be used in most of the sentences should be in passive voice, because it is not essential to write that by whom the work was done. Okay, so write in passive voice. Shorter sentences will do. You are not supposed to write run-on sentences by using a lot of conjunction, and then this happened, and no. You're just writing short sentences, and it should be very clear and crisp and to the point. Okay, and your language diction should be formal. You are not supposed to use some slang words or colloquial conversation. You are not going to insert into it. The sentences should be short, crisp, formal, and to the point. No imaginative, no dramatic things you are going to